Well maintained, lots of upgrades, 4-bed/2.5 BTH West/bonus game room home in Suffolk. Cathedral ceilings in foyer, family room and PBR. FDR+FLR West/crown molding and is off foyer. Wood floor entry and in dining room/floor tiled eat-in kitchen includes stainless steel appliances, gas range, new refrigerator, dishwasher and is located off family room. First floor laundry west/new WD. First floor PBR En-suite to include spacious closet, jetted soaking tub, dual sinks, separate room for shower/toilet. Enclosed game/sunroom off family room has electric and split air. Backyard includes huge concrete fenced patio as well as a shed and a full privacy fence. Easy access to bases, highways, shopping and entertainment.